Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your Audi A4 B9. First, gather all your tools, including a 32mm socket for the oil filter housing and a drain pan with at least 5 liters capacity. Make sure you have about 5.5 quarts of the correct engine oil and a new filter. Then, safely lift and secure your vehicle using jack stands or ramps. Before draining, warm up your engine for about 5 to 10 minutes so the oil flows more easily. Next, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan and carefully remove it. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into your waste oil container. Once drained, clean the area and reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, tightening it to the recommended torque specification. Now, unscrew the oil filler cap and pull up the dipstick to help with drainage. Use a 32mm socket to remove the oil filter housing cap and the old filter element. Install the new oil filter and O-ring, making sure to lubricate the new O-ring with a little fresh oil. Finally, pour in the new engine oil, typically around 5.5 quarts, through the filler cap. After refilling, start your engine for a few minutes to circulate the new oil, then check thoroughly for any leaks around the drain plug and filter housing. Modern Audis often use an electronic sensor to check the oil level, so drive the car for a couple of minutes, then check the MMI system. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an authorized recycling center. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.